Okay, let's try this one more time. So, everybody who's been wondering that longer videos do not work on YouTube, you have to make either shorts or reels or videos less than 10 minutes. Well, the YouTube CEO thinks otherwise. Hey guys, Asupanda back again here at Asupanda Media. I hope you guys are doing well. So recently, YouTube CEO mentioned that people are choosing to watch YouTube like they watch any like they consume content on any other platform, OTT platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, so on and so forth. What that means is that people are watching content which is in longer duration. It could be camping videos, cooking videos, anything. You can choose your niche wisely. But you do not have to be afraid that people will not watch because the YouTube CEO is saying it. So for those people who look at their analytics a lot and keep thinking about their watch time all the time, the good news is that if you make a video which is say about 10 minutes and 3 people watch that video, that gives you about 30 minutes of watch time. But if the same people watch a video which you made for almost about 30 to 60 minutes, you would probably get anywhere between 90 minutes to upwards to about 3 hours of watch time, right? So don't get discouraged yet. There is still audience out there for long form videos, and of course if you have long form videos, you will have more opportunities for YouTube to run ads on those videos as well. So that could definitely give you a better revenue that ways. So anyways, that's the update that I wanted to share with you. Another thing that I would like to request, if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, at least share it with one more person. Please help our channel grow as well. In the end, well, this video is not going to be about for 60 minutes. But then again, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshikimti Tawa.